By the end of 2024, the average global temperature has risen by over 1.6 degrees Celsius compared to the 1850 to 1900 pre-industrial levels. The frequency and intensity of extreme climate events have increased in recent years. Currently, climate change poses the most pressing environmental challenge worldwide. Rainforests, often referred to as the lungs of the planet, absorb vast amounts of carbon dioxide and produce oxygen, playing a critical role in maintaining the Earth's climate. However, due to substantial deforestation, rainforests have become more vulnerable to global warming. Climate change significantly impacts rainforests, jeopardizing their delicate ecosystems and their crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. Here are 8 critical impacts. 1. Rising temperatures. Rainforests flourish within stable temperature ranges, making even slight temperature rises a potential danger to their fragile ecosystems. Higher temperatures induce heat stress on plants and animals, disrupting their physiological functions, with many species unable to endure prolonged heat exposure. Additionally, rainforest species are highly specialized to their unique ecosystems, making them less adaptable to significant temperature shifts compared to species in temperate zones. This reduced adaptability leads to species declines or even extinctions. 2. Altered rainfall patterns. Climate change disrupts the rainfall cycles that are vital for rainforests. Prolonged dry seasons deplete water resources, stressing trees and vegetation. Many plants can't survive without consistent moisture. Conversely, extreme and unseasonal rainfall can cause floods, destroying root systems, eroding soils, and harming wildlife. 3. Increased wildfires. Rainforests are naturally humid, but the increased dryness caused by climate change is raising the risk of wildfires. Once rare in rainforests, wildfires are now becoming more frequent and severe. These fires devastate large areas of forest, releasing stored carbon and hindering the forest's ability to recover. Wildfires also kill or displace numerous species, including those crucial for rainforest ecosystem stability. 4. Loss of biodiversity. Rainforests are home to around 50% of the world's species, playing a crucial role in nutrient cycling, pollination, and seed dispersion. Many of these species struggle to adapt to changing temperatures and habitats caused by climate change. This disruption leads to species extinction or relocation. The loss of keystone species disrupts nutrient cycling, water purification, and other vital processes, creating a cascade of negative effects. These include weakened carbon storage and reduced resilience, further impairing the rainforest's ability to thrive. 5. Damage on carbon feedback loops. Rainforests play a crucial role as carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide and reducing atmospheric greenhouse gases. However, climate change disrupts this balance. When rainforests are degraded due to climate change, they lose their ability to efficiently absorb carbon dioxide, which further contributes to global warming and creates a harmful feedback loop. Heat and drought stress the trees, leading to increased mortality rates. As trees die, the carbon stored in their biomass is released back into the atmosphere. Additionally, human-driven deforestation, combined with climate pressures, exacerbates carbon emissions even more. 6. Spread of pests and diseases. Rising temperatures and changes in humidity levels create perfect conditions for pests and diseases. Firstly, trees and plants under stress from heat or drought become more susceptible to illnesses. Secondly, these environmental changes can lead to an increase in pest populations, further stressing the rainforest ecosystems. Finally, warmer climates may introduce invasive species that outcompete native flora and fauna, causing further disruption to the ecosystem. 7. Soil degradation. Rainforest soils are inherently nutrient-poor due to rapid nutrient cycling. Climate change exacerbates soil degradation through heavy rains and floods that wash away the fertile topsoil. This erosion hampers tree regrowth, slowing the recovery of degraded forests. Without healthy soil, the entire ecosystem suffers as trees struggle to establish roots and grow, weakening the rainforest's resilience and its ability to sequester carbon. 8. Impact on indigenous communities. Indigenous communities that depend on rainforests for their sustenance face growing difficulties as climate change diminishes access to vital resources such as clean water, hunting grounds, and medicinal plants. The degradation of rainforests affects their traditional way of life, leading to food insecurity, health issues, and loss of cultural heritage. These impacts highlight the urgent need for climate action to safeguard the rights and well-being of indigenous peoples. To sum up, the degradation of rainforests due to climate change not only impacts local environments, but also has far-reaching effects on global climate systems, such as rainfall patterns, carbon cycles, and overall weather stability. This creates a perilous feedback loop. As rainforests deteriorate, their capacity to mitigate climate change weakens. Consequently, this accelerates global warming, putting additional strain on these ecosystems. Therefore, preserving rainforest ecosystems through conservation and sustainable practices is crucial not only for their survival, but also for the well-being of our planet. To raise awareness about the challenges faced by rainforests and inspire actions to protect these vital ecosystems, the Rainforest Partnership, a nonprofit environmental organization, has launched World Rainforest Day. Since 2017, this day has been observed annually on June 22nd.